Imagine waking up to ocean views, palm trees, warm weather, and being able to make money at the same time. Welcome to the Diria 512. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your top broker here in this gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we're right in the heart of Tamarindo and we're at one of my new exclusive listings. I cannot wait to show you. Enjoy this beautiful property tour with us today. Walking through the front doors of Diria 512 is such a refreshing feeling. This condo has been completely remodeled from head to toe. There is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's 1,249 square feet, and I love how they've remodeled this condo. It's freshly remodeled, and it has such a wonderful coastal feel. This kitchen is a chef's dream come true. You've got granite countertops, 2-tone cabinetry, Frigidaire professional appliances, and best of all, you have views of the ocean and the palm trees. This condo comes fully furnished and turnkey with everything you see. It's ready for rentals and it does very well with rentals. I love this living room. It's got the open field from the kitchen to the living room, and every day you would be dining outside. The weather is perfect in Costa Rica to eat outside. I love the beachy vibe of this condo. Right to the back here, you've got the 2 bedrooms, one with an ensuite and a second guest bedroom. Let's go check them out. Here in the first bedroom, you've got a king bed, these golden blonde cabinetries, and you've got patio doors that take you out to this amazing terrace. I think my favorite part about this condo is this massive covered terrace. Here you can dine outside, you can lounge, you can read your book, sip your cocktail, you can watch the sunset, you have these beautiful ocean breezes. I actually heard the monkeys earlier today. This is the perfect place to feel like you're in paradise. Here in the second bedroom, you've got a queen bunk bed with a single on top, plenty of room for guests and family, and you've got this beautiful ensuite bathroom as well. Everything has been perfectly decorated here. They have TVs and air conditionings in each room to make it super comfortable. Right at the entrance, you have a full bathroom, a separate closet just for the laundry, but you know what? I'm drawn to the view. Diria 512 is the best of both worlds. It's ground floor. It's got this great grassy area out front, so if you have kids or you want to just relax, lie in the sun, have a picnic outside, and it's high enough up that you can see the palm trees and you can see the ocean, and I can even see the sand. The Diria comes with 24-hour security. There is parking, a great pool, and you've got this outdoor shower so you can wash off your sand from the beach. Check out this amazing resort-style pool here at the Diria. You've got shallow ends, deep ends, you even have a bar, and best of all, it's right behind the beach and just steps away from your condo. Steps away from your condo, you're gonna find over 100 bars and restaurants and shops. Tamarindo is where all the nightlife is as well. When you're at the Diria 512, you don't even need a car. You can walk to everything. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to Playa Tamarindo. This white sand beach is a perfect place to soak up the sun. It's wonderful for beach walks, swimming, and it's perfect for surfing. If you will want more information about this condo and you want to be steps from this beach, and you want to have your own resort pool and have incredible ocean views, then please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com. Give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a beautiful day. Pura vida.